Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing well in lockdown period. So today I am going to show you how to create the journal entries against customer loan account. So have a look. Here from Ledger you can see the create, and you can create the Ledger account here, Ledger entries from Ledger group and Ledger. So let's take a indirect income, and for example take a recovery fees and just save. So this ledger is saved successfully. After that, from the add to favorite, you can add whatever you want to add to your ledger list. Now I want to add one indirect income, that is provision for customer, and I just will add this provision for customer charges. So yes, now add this, and this entry is saved successfully. Now we can search one loan against the customer. So now here you can see one customer I have created, and the next due amount is on 24th July. Now from the fee and penalty details, here we have received the customer provision charges. So here you can create ledger. Let's take amount to 50 rupees, and the narration will be customer charges, and just add this. So this entry is saved successfully. Now from the accounting, go to the journal entry, and now take receipt and create one entry. So we have received cash. We have received cash rupees 250, and from provision for customer charges, here also 250 rupees. And narration you can write customer provision charges, and save this entry. See, the entry is saved successfully. Now from the business summary, account statement, select the date, today's date, and select cash and refresh this. Now you can see I have created some entries, and the customer provision charges also 250 rupees. You can see this. After that, you can select the provision for customer charges and refresh, and see 250 rupees is credited. So this type you can create the entries against the customer loan account, and simply use this Jainam software for creating loan and journal entries. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget like our channel from YouTube and subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.